Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're tackling a common issue: how to fix battery drain on iOS 18.2. Let's dive right in. Now, just to be clear, battery drain can be a side effect of the latest update, and while we can't completely eliminate it, I'll walk you through some helpful workarounds to improve your battery life. Let's get started. First, head over to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. From there, select Location Services. If it's turned on, this could be one of the main reasons your battery is draining quickly. You have two options here: either turn it off completely if you're not using it, or limit access to specific apps. For example, you can set permissions for each app to never or while using the app, depending on your preference. Customizing these settings can significantly reduce battery usage. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap on System Services. Here, disable any unnecessary permissions, leaving only essential ones enabled, like Find My iPhone. Now, go back and navigate to Display and Brightness. Turn off the Always On Display feature, as it can have a significant impact on your battery life. Additionally, adjust the autolock to a shorter duration, such as 30 seconds or 1 minute, instead of leaving it on Never. This ensures your screen doesn't stay on unnecessarily, conserving battery. Next, head back and go to General, then tap on Background App Refresh. You can turn off this feature entirely. Some people worry that disabling it will stop notifications for apps like WhatsApp, but don't worry, you'll still receive all notifications and calls without this feature enabled. Finally, be mindful of your network usage. Whenever Wi-Fi is available, use it instead of mobile data, as Wi-Fi consumes less battery. Also, avoid keeping both Wi-Fi and cellular data on simultaneously when one isn't in use. These tips should help you manage your battery more efficiently on iOS 18.2. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.